Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever wondered what specific trait or behavior significantly attracts women but is often overlooked by men? Today, we're going to uncover this hidden gem that can make a world of difference in your dating life. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to leverage this trait to enhance your connections with women. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's key for effectively leveraging this trait, enhancing your understanding and approach. Stay tuned for it. Before we start, anyone looking to revamp their dating approach? Click the link below for a free 60-minute strategy call with one of our coaches. Ready to unlock this secret and take advantage of it? Let's dive in and discover what women are truly attracted to. 1. Confidence. Confidence is undeniably one of the most attractive traits a man can possess, yet many men tend to overlook or underutilize their confidence. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude self-assurance because it signals strength, stability, and reliability. However, confidence is often misunderstood or confused with arrogance, causing men to shy away from displaying it openly. When we talk about confidence, we're referring to a calm and collected demeanor that comes from knowing and trusting oneself. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and having the conviction to stand by your decisions and actions. Men who lack confidence often second-guess themselves, hesitate to take the lead, or fail to express their true thoughts and feelings, missing out on opportunities to connect closely with women. So, what does confident behavior look like in practice? It starts with maintaining eye contact during conversations. This simple act conveys that you're present, engaged, and unafraid to connect. Another example is speaking with a steady and clear voice. A confident man knows what he wants to say and isn't afraid to say it. Additionally, good posture plays a significant role. Standing tall with your shoulders back not only improves your physical presence, but also boosts your internal sense of confidence. Confident men also know how to handle rejection gracefully. Instead of taking it personally, they see it as a part of life and move on without letting it affect their self-worth. They take initiative, whether it's planning a date or making the first move. This proactiveness shows leadership and decisiveness, qualities that women find highly attractive. By embodying these confident behaviors, you can significantly enhance your appeal and create stronger, more meaningful connections with women. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being authentic and self-assured in who you are. 2. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, often abbreviated as EQ, is a game changer when it comes to attraction and building meaningful relationships. EQ is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. While many men may focus on external attributes, developing emotional intelligence can be the key to forming deeper connections with women. So, why is emotional intelligence so crucial in attraction? For one, it allows you to be more empathetic and responsive to your partner's needs and feelings. Women are often more attuned to emotional cues and appreciate when a man can understand and share their emotional experiences. This shared understanding fosters a sense of intimacy and trust, making the relationship more fulfilling for both parties. Enhancing your emotional intelligence can significantly improve your romantic relationships. For instance, being able to effectively communicate your feelings can prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. It also helps you to be more supportive and nurturing, qualities that are highly valued in a partner. Women are attracted to men who can listen without judgment, provide comfort, and offer thoughtful insights during conversations. Now, how can you develop and display emotional intelligence? One practical tip is to practice active listening. This means truly focusing on what your partner is saying without interrupting or thinking about your response while they're speaking. Show that you're engaged by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and providing feedback that reflects your understanding. Another tip is to work on your self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your own emotions and what triggers them. Understanding your emotional patterns can help you manage your reactions more effectively, leading to healthier interactions. Additionally, try to develop empathy by putting yourself in your partner's shoes. Consider how they might be feeling in various situations, and respond with kindness and compassion. By cultivating emotional intelligence, you not only become more attractive, but also build a stronger foundation for lasting and meaningful relationships. Remember, it's not just about knowing your own emotions, but also about connecting with your partner on a deeper emotional level. 3. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor is often cited as one of the most attractive traits a man can have. But why is it so important? Humor has the power to break the ice, lighten the mood, and create a bond between people. When you make a woman laugh, you're not just entertaining her. You're building a connection that can lead to deeper attraction. Humor shows that you don't take yourself too seriously, which is refreshing and inviting. It demonstrates confidence and intelligence, as it takes wit and timing to deliver a good joke or a funny comment. Women appreciate a man who can make them laugh, especially in stressful or awkward situations, because it shows resilience and positivity. Let's look at some examples of how humor can create a strong connection. Imagine you're on a first date, and things are a bit tense. You crack a lighthearted joke about the awkwardness of first dates, and suddenly, both of you are laughing and the tension melts away. Or perhaps you're in a long-term relationship, and you use humor to navigate conflicts. A well-timed, playful comment can diffuse a potential argument and remind both of you to not take things too seriously. So, how can you incorporate humor naturally into your interactions? Start by being observant and finding humor in everyday situations. This doesn't mean you have to be a stand-up comedian. It's about being playful and finding joy in the small things. For example, share a funny story from your day, or make a witty remark about something you both notice. Another way is to be self-deprecating in a lighthearted manner. Laughing at yourself shows humility and makes you more relatable. Just be careful not to overdo it or come off as insecure. The key is to keep it balanced and genuine. Remember, humor should always be respectful and considerate. Avoid jokes that could be offensive or misunderstood. The goal is to create a positive and enjoyable atmosphere where both of you can relax and connect. By embracing your sense of humor, you can significantly enhance your attractiveness and build stronger, more joyful relationships. 4. Active listening. Active listening is a cornerstone of effective communication and a crucial element in building rapport and trust with women. It goes beyond simply hearing words. It involves fully engaging with the speaker and demonstrating genuine interest in what they have to say. When you actively listen, you show that you respect and value the other person, which is incredibly attractive. The importance of active listening cannot be overstated. It helps to create a strong emotional connection and fosters a sense of trust and mutual respect. Women feel more comfortable and open when they know their thoughts and feelings are being truly heard and understood. This level of attentiveness can significantly enhance your interactions and relationships. So, how can you improve your listening skills? One effective technique is to practice mindfulness during conversations. This means being fully present and focused on the moment, rather than letting your mind wander or thinking about what you're going to say next. Make eye contact, nod in acknowledgement, and provide verbal affirmations like, "I see," or "that makes sense," to show that you're engaged. Another technique is to ask open-ended questions that encourage deeper discussion. Instead of asking questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no, try to elicit more detailed responses. For example, instead of asking, "Did you have a good day?" you could ask, "What was the highlight of your day?" This shows that you're genuinely interested in their experiences and feelings. Reflective listening is also a powerful tool. This involves paraphrasing or summarizing what the other person has said to confirm your understanding and show that you're paying attention. For instance, you might say, "So, what you're saying is," or "It sounds like you're feeling." This helps to clarify any misunderstandings and demonstrates that you're truly listening. Active listening makes women feel valued and understood, which is essential for building strong and meaningful connections. It creates a safe space for them to express themselves openly and honestly. By honing your active listening skills, you can deepen your relationships and become a more attractive and empathetic partner. Liking what you're hearing? Hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you're curious about taking your dating skills further, our free 60-minute strategy call can help you learn to meet more women and date with confidence. Click on the link in the pinned comment to find out more. 5. Ambition and drive. Ambition and drive are incredibly attractive qualities that often go underappreciated by men. Women are drawn to men who have a clear sense of purpose and the determination to pursue their goals. Ambition signals that you are proactive, motivated, and capable of achieving great things, all of which are appealing traits in a partner. Many men underestimate the power of ambition because they might fear it comes off as arrogant or self-centered. However, when displayed correctly, ambition showcases your passion and commitment without overshadowing your humility. It's about finding the right balance and demonstrating your drive in a way that is both inspiring and approachable. So, how can you showcase your ambition without appearing arrogant? One way is through your actions, rather than just your words. Let your achievements speak for themselves. For instance, if you're working on an exciting project or have recently accomplished something significant, share your experience and the journey that led you there. This shows your dedication and hard work without needing to boast. Another approach is to stay grounded and show genuine interest in others' goals and ambitions. Being supportive and encouraging of your partner's dreams can highlight your own ambition in a positive light. It's not just about your drive, but also about how you uplift and motivate those around you. Humility is key. Acknowledge your successes with gratitude and recognize the efforts of those who have helped you along the way. This humility paired with your ambition makes you more relatable and likable. For example, you might say, "I'm really proud of this project because it taught me a lot about perseverance, and I couldn't have done it without my team." Sharing your vision and long-term goals can also be very attractive. Talk about what you're passionate about and where you see yourself in the future. This not only shows your ambition, but also gives your partner a sense of stability and excitement about what lies ahead. By demonstrating ambition and drive in these ways, you can attract women who appreciate these qualities and are inspired by your dedication and vision. Remember, it's about showing your passion and determination in a way that is genuine, humble, and supportive. Bonus tip: vulnerability. Here's the bonus tip: the power of vulnerability in attraction. Being open and vulnerable might seem counterintuitive, but it's one of the most profound ways to deepen connections. Vulnerability shows authenticity and courage, allowing you to connect on a much deeper emotional level. When you share your true self, including your fears and insecurities, it invites women to do the same, fostering mutual trust and intimacy. Being vulnerable doesn't mean oversharing or appearing weak. It's about being honest and genuine. For instance, if you're feeling nervous on a date, it's okay to admit it. Saying something like, "I'm a bit nervous because I really want to make a good impression," can be endearing and relatable. Another way to practice healthy vulnerability is by sharing your dreams and aspirations, even if they're not fully realized. This openness shows that you're willing to be seen for who you truly are, with all your hopes and uncertainties. It's also important to listen and respond empathetically when your partner shares their vulnerabilities. By embracing vulnerability, you not only become more attractive, but also create a safe space for deeper, more meaningful connections. Remember, true strength lies in the courage to be real and open. So now you know what women are attracted to, yet few men take advantage of it. What's next for you? Discover 7 masculine secrets that make younger women chase you. Or learn how to talk to younger women and never run out of things to say. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.